एकवटेच्यान तुम्ही सांगतात की तुमकां दोन मेजर ग्रुप तुमचे येऊन सांगतात की बीजेपी भितर वच म्हणून
हांवें म्हणलें आय एम कन्फ्यूज.
दुसरी वटेच्यान सांगतात तुम्ही हे कन्सल्टेशन काय ना आपूण फक्त आयकत आनी कन्फ्यूज आहा म्हणून.
आय एम टेलिंग यू आय एम कन्फ्यूज. आय डू नॉट नो whom to listen.
But, sir, the present state of the Congress party has at least pushed you on the brink of confusion. That much you admit.
I believe that I have been given a raw deal in the Congress party.
Why?
At the beginning, let me tell you, I believe that wherever I am today is because of the Congress party. Okay. I have the highest respect for Madam Sonia Gandhi. And like I say, I have respect for her. I have respect for other leaders also. Like Mukul Vasnik, Margaret Alva, Eduardo Falero. I have respect. I hold them in high esteem. I may not hold others in high esteem. I've got a defect. What is my defect? I have the courage to question you. And many a time people don't like being questioned.
You have the courage to omit the names of some people which clearly indicate why you got the raw deal.
That is what you assume. I have not said that. There's a big long list.
Yeah.
If you want me to start,
No, but sir, tell me one thing. You said you got a raw deal. Even Digambar Kamas today says the same thing.
No, I don't know his circumstances, but I'll tell you what are my issues. I'll tell you my issues, and you tell me if I'm in the wrong. On your channel, I have said, I don't know what is the role of a working president.
Yes.
If you recall.
Yes. We spent sizable amount of time understanding what is your role.
I till today
and you had no clue about it.
I till today have no clue what was my role.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure whether I was given that position just as a Catholic face. Because other than that, I had no role at all. No role at all. Candidates
It was cosmetic.
I said, face. Candidates were selected. I have questioned prior to elections and post-elections. And I'm still questioning what was the criteria in giving tickets to many a candidate.
Like?
I'm not going to take names.
Okay.
After voting, there was a review meeting. One candidate very openly said, I will lose the election. So when he was asked why, he says, I was told by them not to campaign and support Mr. X.
Them kon and X kon. See, now you are playing in riddles now.
No, I'm not playing in riddles. I'm telling you honestly. I was told by Congress leaders, don't campaign, support.
But with this kind of riddles, we'll run out of alphabets by the end of this interview.
No issue.
The blunders that Congress has done. Okay.
I have been told that in some constituencies we didn't have candidates. That is why we gave the tickets. My reply was, if you didn't have a candidate, you should have given the ticket to a loyal congressman. Give to one of your workers. Don't bring Mr. X or Mr. Y and give overnight, who has never been associated with the party. Rumors are all over. Rumors are all over that tickets have been sold.
Yeah. Everybody has heard those rumors.
Including in your own constituency.
Was it true?
I don't know. But I'm telling you, you should know better.
How would I?
You are an esteemed a journalist held in very high esteem.
I'm talking to the then working president of the
I told
Congress
you,
party who presided over the election.
Sir, I'm telling you, till this minute, I don't know what was my role as working president. Because I never attended any meeting. I was not a party to any of them things.
So let's come to the very simple question. Why do you think...
You tell me.
6 months...
People join the party in the morning. And in the afternoon, you're declaring him as a candidate.
But sir, tell me one thing. Why do you think within 6 months of the elections, Congress MLAs want to leave the party? Why? What has happened in these 6 months?
No, I'm coming further. My treatment in the party, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
You took MLAs to Chennai. Did you tell me? Why was I kept out?
I think they must be sure about you, that you will not go.
You took MLAs to Delhi to consult on a leader of opposition. Why have I not been asked? No,
that is true.
So what, you want me to leave the party? You definitely, many people don't like being questioned. But is this a way of telling me, please go?
So who was responsible for the defeat of the Congress party?
Who is responsible?
Yeah.
The leaders of
Like-
the days gone by.
Those leaders are still got. The days might have gone by. The leaders are still there. That's why I'm
So
asking.
they are responsible.
Including Digambar Kamath.
All are responsible for whoever was at the helm of affairs.
Girish Chodankar, Dinesh Gundurao, Digambar Kamath,
100%.
P. Chidambaram.
They led the campaign. They decided everything.
What went wrong?
What went wrong? You have to ask them.
What, in your perspective, what mistakes did they commit?
we believed at the outset that we were going to form the government.
Yeah.
We believed that certain of us had become chief ministers till 9th of March.
Many of you had become cabinet ministers.
Cabinet ministers forget chief ministers.
Also. Were you a part of that list of cabinet
Whom-
ministers,
I
or were
don't know,
you
I
kept
was
out then also?
I was definitely not.
You were kept out of that imaginary list also.
No, I don't know. I
Ah.
don't know. Let me be honest. I
Okay.
don't know. I don't know about that. Okay.
Yeah.
But I tell you, till 9th of March, we had formed the government. Till 9th of March,
Yeah.
as you said, lists were being finalized.
Yeah.
I know that till 9th of March, budget speeches were being written.
Yeah.
I know that till 9th of March, budget was being formulated.
Yeah.
Call it vote on account or call it budget. But that was being formulated.
Yes.
And 10th of March, we got up in the morning and it all went.
People had become
crack,
chief
it just-
ministers in their head, but not in reality. In reality was far different.
Reality, you see, till you open that the electronic
Voting machine.
voting machine,
Yeah.
we
So,
thought
but
it
my
was
question is still, what happened during last 4-5 months that is compelling the Congress MLAs to desert the party?
I think it is a treat. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm not deserting it I'm not clear, as I told you.
It has pushed you to the stage of confusion.
No, I am very clear that I don't want to use the word hurt because Digambar used it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Another word.
But I am disillusioned with the party.
Why? Why MLAs are disillusioned with the party within 6
I
months
don't know.
of the election?
I don't know about the other MLAs. I can't talk for MLAs.
But they have
but
spoken to you,
I can talk to.
You
I
only
can-
said they spoke to you, they approached you.
I will talk.
I'm certain your conversation must not be येता रे ना झाले अशें आसपाना न्ही तेही सांगताले कित्याक येता कित्याक या कितें चल्लां
You have my word. Nobody has spoken to me like that. You have nobody has spoken.
but they approached you.
They approached and they asked me, "Are you willing to come with us to BJP?"
You must have certainly conversed with them about why they want to go.
No. My only conversation was simple. Do you have the numbers? Then talk.
You're very clear about it.
Yeah, then we will decide. But why cross without reaching the bridge? Why think of crossing it? When we reach the bridge, we'll cross the bridge if required.
Sir, what has happened? Why this? Because see, you appointed Michael Lobo as the leader of opposition. Your party decided to.
What
keep
did you
Digambar
say? You
Kamath.
appointed. You appointed.
Yeah, you appointed as a you in.
You appointed.
Yes,
Then
obviously, no.
correct. You're
Because
right.
you always take the orders from the high command. So this was also
Appointed.
Certainly, I don't believe that the CLP chose. So I'll be too naive to believe that.
I'm saying you use the right word. Appointed.
I use the right word. I am certainly not naive to believe that CLP chose. So then you file disqualification petition against your own leader of opposition. On that evening, even your name is dragged into the list of 6 or 7. The number is still debatable, 6 or 7. So what happened that evening? And where were you?
I was not a party. That evening, I was not a party. I was not a party that evening. But I'll tell you further.